All right, you guys, now that we've covered the majority of the technical stuff, we're going to kind of transition into the third part of the course, which is all about clients and marketing and billing and you name it. So first things first, we're going to talk about clients and billing and the software that I personally use to bill my clients. Now, I used to use PayPal to bill all my clients on a recurring basis, and it was okay, but I've kind of found that over time, it just doesn't quite work like I would hope that it would, at least. And it's not even that it doesn't really work. It's just that it's not as professional as I would like. With PayPal, I found that I've had clients that come and they say, well, I don't have a PayPal account. And then PayPal supposedly says, well, it's fine. You don't have to have a PayPal account. It's easier if you do, and we recommend, and we're going to give you all these different hoops that you have to jump through not to sign up for a PayPal account, but you don't have to have one. And so it's just kind of annoying. So again, PayPal is free to use. It's worked and it's gotten me up until this point, but if I could do things over again, I would have used Freshbooks from the start. So that's what I personally use. It is a paid piece of software. If you want to sign up and use Freshbooks, there's a link down in the description. You can get, I think it's 60% off, or maybe it's 70%. I can't remember what they gave us, but I think it's 60% off if you sign up for 3 months, and then from there it'll go back to the normal price. If you want to use FreshBooks, great. If not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to show you how to set it up in both ways. But again, the reason I like FreshBooks is because it's just a little bit more professional. So you can send recurring invoices to your clients. It'll automatically pull it from their bank account. They don't have to deal with a PayPal account. It's just a little bit nicer. Okay, so if you choose to use the FreshBooks route, this is how I set up recurring invoices. So you come over here to the left side, you'll click on invoices, and then you're gonna click on new invoice. And then when it pops up, you're gonna come down here and say make recurring. So you'll click on that. You can do all the different steps. You'll come in here, you'll add your logo, bill it to, X client, and then you'll say make recurring. So then from there, you can say, okay, what date do you want this to recur on? How often do you want it to recur? Which for most cases, you're gonna be monthly. How many times do you want it to recur? Send invoices automatically, and then allow clients to use credit cards or link a bank account. Say done. So you'll put in the description, the price, all those different things. Again, I really like FreshBooks because they make it so incredibly easy. Again, paid software, not required by any means, but that's what I personally use.